Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a couple of glam glitter drip mirrors. And so what you'll need, you're going to need some of this silver bling wrap. This is from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need some of this glitter foam paper. This is from Efavormart. And I also have some of this silver glitter from Efavormart as well. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. What you'll need from Dollar Tree, I have an 8x10 mirror here. It's a frame mirror. You won't need the frame. Well, you can use the frame if you like, but you really won't need it for this particular project. And that's from Dollar Tree, 8x10. I also have a round mirror from Dollar Tree and this square mirror from Dollar Tree. I have some Mod Podge from Dollar Tree, and from Michael's I have one of these little mini round 2-inch mirrors. This is an optional mirror. If you want to use it, you can. Also from Dollar Tree I have a large piece of foam board. And from Walmart, I have some peel and stick gemstones, but you can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any of these components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. Now if I decide to add any additional items, I will put those in the description box below as well, but these are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these modern glam glitter drip mirrors turn out absolutely beautifully? They were so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. Thank you very much, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.